Hello everyone, so I'm just gonna show you how to enroll your students in WISE2. So first, let's open wise2.churchofjesuschrist.org and then let's sign in using your LDS account. So, yan, kailangan po LDS account. Oops. Yan. Send siya. Okay. Okay. So, pag open, normally, ang lalabas po sa first time na pag-open ninyo is itong kulay na yan. Kulay red. So, ang gagawin po ninyo is click, select region, then Visayas Mindanao, select coordinator, Tagbilaran, and then select a program. So, pag clinic nyo po ito, normally ang lalabas po is kung ano lang yung program ninyo. Halimbawa, Tagbilaran Philippines Campus Institute. So, this would be my class, no? So, make sure po natin na tama yung school year natin, which is 2024-2025. First semester po tayo ngayon. So, yan. And then, click nyo po yung inyong class. Halimbawa po to sa akin. Ang enrolled lang po dito is isa lang. So, kung gusto ko pong dagdagan, ang gagawin ko lang is punta po ako dito sa schedule. Schedule. And then, there will be a lot of choices here. But I normally choose students in one stake or ward. And then, i-click ko po dito sa stake, yung stake na kung saan ako nagtuturo. And then, I can either put the first name or the last name. Let's say, Marshales. Okay, so yan po yung mga options. So, halimbawa, enroll ko yung sarili ko. Click ko po yan. And then, I will choose schedule selected. Pag na-click ko na po yan, pupunta na yan dito sa right side. That means, ano na po siya, kumbaga enrolled na yung student. Okay. Medyo matagal ang ating nag-loading pa. Yeah. Yan. So, ayan na. Again, dito po, schedule, no? Tapos, students in one stake or ward, pwede rin MRN, membership record, pwede rin po yun. So, marami pong choices. And then, wag nyo pong kakalimutan yung stake. Tapos, yung either yung last name or first name, pwede. So, halimbawa po, yan. Schedule selected. So, andito na po siya, meaning ito na po yung scheduled students. These are the enrolled students so far. So, if you will choose or kung gusto mong makita, just click summary. So, ito na sila. Okay? And if you would like to update the attendance, dito lang din po. So, attendance. And then, click nyo lang, halimbawa ito, August 16, kung present ba or absent, halimbawa absent o ganyan po ang pag-mark natin. Kung present naman, pwede rin po yan mabago. Ayan. So, that's it. If you can also assist your students sa reading assignments nila. For example, yung reading assignments ng August 16, kung tapos na sila, pwede nyo rin po i-mark. Yan. Pero normally, they will do it doon sa My Institute. Assist. Yan po. Alright, that's it po. Thank you so much.